Dito na po kami sa Qatar. Maluwang ang hindi kami nahirapan, hindi masikip yung upuan. Okay lang siya, maganda. Nila mami, people are want to pass. Ito ang business class nila. Ayan.
Also business class for. That's nice. Bro, you can adjust your chair. You can adjust your chair.
Yeah, they can sleep here. They can lay down, bed, like a bed. Oh, it's too hot.
Oh, yeah, sheesh.
Yes.
You're vlogging? But it's so hot. Kian, hold the handle. Kian, hold the handle.
Está caliente aquí, ¿no? Pareciendo asiento, ¿no? Mira qué maldito motor. Esa no son las que se nos chupaban. Mariana, ¿te va a llenar alguna?
Ven por aquí, María, por aquí. Así que no me la María.
Hold this one, mommy. Lano, it will stop here. Just hold this one. Hold this one, mommy. This one.
Mami, there's straps.
No hay asiento, es rapidito, ¿ok? Son 2 minutos. Tenemos 4
I think I'm gonna hold.
¿Te podemos cargar? Claro, en 2 minutos cuando lleguemos a la puerta.
My brain cannot examine what's happening. Hey, you hold this one.
It's okay.
You know those in the
No se puede, no hay
I
espacio.
can't reach.
Me están empujando.
Init. Ayun. Ganyang sinakyan namin. Pero let's go.
Look at the size of the
Acá no pone más vale que va acelerando. Agárrate, María, que te puede caer. Vale, espérate. De verdad. Agárrate del palo. Agárrate del palo, mi amor.
Look, it changed my phone.
No, pon los palos.
It's now but I didn't understand what it changed.
Oh, it's
Two different places. Two different places. Oh,
Vale, hay que cepillarlo.
and the connection is very bad.
Yay, oh, so hot. Wala ba yun? Yay, we are here. Wait, I will ask. All kilo up. Dito na po tayo sa Qatar Airport. Kids, come.
It's not like pickles. Oh, pickles, Yana, from the shows me Burger King. Can you rest? What time is
We will check in first, Mama. We will go buy some stuff. Some chocolate. Inshallah, 3 hours. But we need to check in first.
3 hours our flight.
Dito na pa tayo. Yay! Qatar. Aha, Qatar to Manila. Alahan, we arrive in Haida but we are late. They will they said it's closed already. They will I don't know. Wait, I will ask the paano ba yun, ma'am, anong oras din ang alis natin?
Eto, ma'am. So, bali, alis po natin to...
You said 1 o'clock.
1
12
o'clock.
o'clock boarding. Siya tinawari.
12 o'clock we will check na. Delay kami guys, sobra. Dahil may sa taas kasi kanina mayroong missile kaya niliko-liko yung plane namin, na delay kami. So, mag-stay kami dito ng 7 hours.
We go 11.
May free ano naman kami, free meal. Naka-indicate sa ano namin, ticket namin kasi nga delay talaga kami. May kasama kami kanina na galing sa Beirut, si Kuya. Ewan ko na saan na siya. Yes. So, ayun, ito, mag-wait tayo. Ayaw kong mag-check-in ng ano, ng hotel kasi free naman yung hotel, kaya lang sabi ng mga bata mas gusto daw nila dito. Marami namang pwedeng paghingaan. So bukas darating kami doon sa Thailand, ay sa Manila 6:45 ng hapon. Bale mag ano din kami sa Thailand, mag stop over kami. Ang problema ko yung i-travel ko guys, ang transfer transit lang namin sa Qatar, hindi ko na ilagay sa Thailand. Ewan ko kung paano bukas. Ay nako. Ayan, you wanna stay here? You wanna take picture?
Yeah.
Yala, go. Ang Qatar. Ito, ang ganda ng Qatar guys. Mamaya may time pa kami na maaga pa lang dito. Anong oras na mama? 6 o'clock. Right? 6:23 ng gabi dito sa Qatar. So mamayang 12 pa ang ano namin, boarding namin. Yes. Yeah, give me. You want to I take a picture? Give me your phone. Your phone. Hey? Okay. Yala, Kian, go there, mommy. Kian, give me Haida. Yala, go. Ay, mag-take daw siya ng picture dito. Okay. Ayan. Take na this one. So, we will go buy chocolate. Or after we eat.
Can we eat like noodles?
Why? I don't know how the meal here.
Okay, right our shoes.
Hot food, sabi nila. Here, there is food market there, mama. Any food market daw, pwede kaming kumain. Hindi na kami magbayad ba? Kasi nabayaran na ito. Hello. This one, we are delayed from Beirut. They give us coupon for food. Where should I take? Which one?
The food, eh?
Yes.
Can you check with the food courts, please?
Where is
Food
it?
market. This way. Straight on your right. You see the salitas on your right? Behind them, this floor.
This
Yeah.
in this level.
Yeah.
Okay.
But on your right.
Okay,
behind
here,
the
yeah.
escalators, yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Yala, kids. Nakasabay si Kuya. Galing din sa Beirut, na delay din yung flight niya. So dito tayo. Doha to Qatar. Doha to Thailand. Thailand to Qatar. Ay, to Manila. Na-delay kasi kami.
And then this one.
Kain na kami kasi gutom na daw sila.
It is still full hours. Still.
3 meal naman ito guys.
Still full.
Tapos may free accommodation sana kami kaso hindi namin inano kasi mga bata mas gusto nila mag-stay dito ba. Stay na lang kami dito. 4 hours flight namin mamaya is 1 a.m. ng umaga. Darating kami doon gabi na
2 days, Yana.
sa Pilipinas. Eh dapat yung original na namin, schedule namin is darating kami sa Pilipinas ng 8:45. Na-delay kami guys dahil sa taas kasi meron inikot-ikot kami dahil may alam yun na sa taas kanina kaya ang daming plane kanina sunod-sunod sa papawid kasi marami din na delay ba. Okay lang, at least nakarating kami ng maayos, walang problema. Mag-wait tayo para kakain.
I thought that's how we choose.
Yeah, they will call us.
Yeah, you chose already?
Not yet, they will call us to activate.
I think it's Lana Wheel and both like same. Dohan.
Ako ng rice, di ko kakainin yung rice. You want rice ate? Take it. Anyway guys, ito yung food namin. May tag na 95 real ba yun? Qatar money nila. Tapos inubos ko na lahat. Binili ko na ito. Ayan, tubig. Wala kaming binayaran. Bale yung Qatar ang nagbayad sa amin yung airline. Yes, mama. So ang binili ko kay Cheyenne, butter, chicken, kay Kian yung barbecue. Eh, sa 10 mama.
Thank you, Mom.
Ito, Habibe.
Thank you, Mom.
Ikaw na ba to? Sa 10.
The salad you make.
Yun na ito. Still early, but sure, you will have time to roll. See, thank you, Lord.
Haida hai?
They did not give you juice?
You want? Water healthier.
Take the juice, mama. I don't want.
I don't want.
Take it, Habibe.
What juice is this?
Water only. Mango, I think. Take it.
Mango.
It's why only rice. Just kidding.
Why they at us? Why they look at us?
Tumawag si Mister. Nag-nervyos siya kasi nga na-delay kami. Kasi trinatrack nila yung flight namin.
Oh, it's like the hey
Kasi nga sa taas kanina daw guys may alam nyo na. May pinalipad. Kaya ang daming plane kanina sa taas. So, kaya niliko-liko kami na late na delay kami and then yun na nga. Kaya
But it's not our fault, eh?
yeah, no.
Oh, it's spicy, the chicken.
Spicy? You want this one?
No, it's like the wood. How you will eat on this? Who
Never
chose this
had
one? MJ? Wait, I want to try your rice. Try the tawu chicken as well.
Cheat day tayo ngayon. May kasama kami kanina galing sa Beirut si Kuya. Nandun din siya, dito din siya kumain.
Don't forget to buy gum. You wanna try the chicken? I don't eat like this chicken. Is my tongue red or what?
Pati yung nakasabay namin Kuya, yung si Kabayan, sabi niya ayaw niya din mag-check-in kasi na-try niya daw last time. Parang umihi ka lang daw, after mamaya babalik ka na sa airport at malayo daw yung hotel kaya hindi na siya pumayag. Gaya din namin na mag-stay siya dito. Mag-wait na lang kami. May kasama kami. Galing siya sa Beirut din. Nakausap ni Mister yung kanina dito sa Qatar. Kasi trinatrack na nila yung flight namin. Na-delay kami talaga. Tapos yung sabi ng asawa ko, paano yung luggage nila? Baka mamaya nauna na sa Manila. Hindi, sabay daw kami. Sabay daw pa rin yung luggage namin. Oo. Pinalitan talaga lahat guys, yung namin, yung time, yung alam nyo, yung gabi na kami darating dun sa Manila bukas. It's hot, Mama? Take this one. Whether it's not hot.
No.
Hmm?
I like that.
And I don't want anymore.
Oh, wow.
Take this one, Mama, if you want. Yalla.
Haram.
Take it.
Mommy, haram.
No, Habibi.
Don't force yourself.
Give it, I will eat if you don't want. The
rice is the same. He's not talking about the rice. He's talking about the chicken. The chicken is hard.
I don't know that it's hard. Biryani, I think that.
Don't you see from the color? It's Jabu. I thought he's ordering like me. I have to get a gallon of milk because
Kalas, if you don't want, I will buy you another one too.
I don't need it. I think these I filled my stomach up with some spices in my stomach. Look how much water I wasted already. I wasted this much water.
Take the juice, Mama, it's sweet. Bumili ako ng chocolate. Wala daw silang plastic bag. Kailangan namin bilhin ng plastic bag. Yung shop na. Ganun ba talaga guys? Yung dati kasi noon, may free yung bag. Pag bibili ka ng products, yung stuff, may bibigay silang plastic. Babayaran daw yun ng $1. Tignan natin dito. Kasi doon sa shop na yun, wala silang plastic bag. Magbayad pa ko ng $4. Try natin dito. Mga sale ba? Ito Kinder. Pasalubong lang ba sa mga pamangkin? $12 din yan. Or here 17 Galaxy. Doon ang bili ko yung ganito ay hindi ganyan.
I told you it was the bag.
Which one we will buy, Mama?
Which one is it, guys?
I bought already Snickers.
Snickers on there?
2 Snickers and Mars. This one. Full na siya, 41.
Grinder for Bella.
This one, buy 1, get 3 naman siya. Magkano? 15. No. We will buy this one. You want?
Reasons?
Yan eh, 3 for $30.
Wait, buy 2 get 1 free. We buy 2 get 1 free.
So, kapag dalawa, 30 tapos free ang isa. Yes, kuha tayo. Kasi,
You can buy 2. Dahil sure, where she it's 25. Wait, that's 20 camera, mommy.
yes, Mama, we will buy 3. So, we will share. Ito naman, 17 ang isa. KitKat, 13. 13. 17. This one is 30. Kapag isa lang.
You want get
Wait. Hershey ito. Wait, tingin din tayo ng mas mura. Ito naman 19 ang isa. Bili na kami ng chocolate, guys. Alam nyo, yun sinabi ko dito na doon sa shop na pinagbilhan namin kanina ng una, babayaran daw namin ng yung plastic na ganito, guys. Kasi binigay niya sa akin walang plastic. Sabi ko hindi pwede kasi dapat bibigay niyo sa amin may plastic. Babayaran ko daw. Sabi ko i-report ko kaya yan. Sabi ko sa pinagbilhan ko ng ganito, sabi niya wag na kasi baka bago daw sila ng shop. At saka baka depende daw sa mga ibang policy na shop. Pero sabi niya binigyan pa niya ako ng isa dito. Sabi to go on that. Kita ng isa, libre ito, sabi niya. Wala daw kasi silang plastic doon. So anyway, nakabili na kami ng chocolate. Ayan Ayan, may pasalubong na tayo. Dito ako bumili kasi mas mura. Ito sale naman siya. 3 piraso na ganito is 25 yung binayaran ko. Yes, yan na, we go sit now. And ito, yan, pabili na kami. Yan, let's go.
We're supposed to go when we're done now.
We go sit, Mama, and then we will check badge royal. Yes, upo na tayo, tingin tayo ng ay, nasaan na yung ticket natin ay.
Your ticket in the bag?
Yeah, it's heavy, Mama. Tingin na.
No.
Yan na, we will go find a chair.
Your bag is open.
Before I bought you Haiduli the small chocolate. I don't know where Mafi here. Ganda ng Qatar, guys. Sobra maganda siya. Kaso yung kanina sobra siya. Sabi ko pabayaran niya ako ng yung $1 for Real Qatar daw ang babayaran ko. Tapos sabi ko, bakit ganun? Sa ibang shop, hindi sila nagpapabayad. Sabi ko, isusauli ko na sana yung chocolate, pero nabayaran ko na kasi.
Mommy, what gates are we supposed to go in?
But we will go there, Mama, and we will check, Habibi, okay?
Yeah, but what gates?
They did not yet tell, but sure, it will open. Okay, Mommy? Ha?
Can I see the cars, Mommy?
Where?
Can I see the cars?
Yeah. Siya yan, excited siya yan. Dito na kami. Lakad-lakad ba? Mga gold ito, guys. Magkano naman kaya mga ito? Ayan, mga gold. Siguro Saudian gold mga yan. Saudian gold kasi napaka-yellow niya. Mga Indian gold. No, I'm just showing them, Mommy. Yeah, let's go now. You take it? Wow! Show to Daddy.
I feel like motorcycles are faster than cars.
McLaren. Yung isa?
What about that one?
Ferrari, Mercedes, I think. Ganda oh, grabe. Bakit kaya nila din-display dito?
I remember F1 here, it was a BMW when I was
Yes. Yeah, Tata, we will sit, but then we will check but why the... You wanna play there, Mommy? Fee for the kids. Papalaro na. Dito kami mag-upo. Pwede kaya mag-charge dito, guys? Ah, dito charging area ata, mag-charge tayo. Kailan ko... Yes, you can play, Mom.
You'll stay here?
Yeah, may charging ano siya, guys. I need to charge.
Charge your shoes.
Yeah, I need to charge my phone. Put the things down, Mommy. You can, but be careful, okay? Yeah, mag-charge. Sorry, charge ko lang yung battery ko. Ay, yung camera. Okay, be careful, kids, eh? Ganda na. Ay, grabe. 7 hours kami dito sa airport. Sobra. Ayaw naman kasi ng mga bata na punta kami sa hotel. Gusto nila dito.
I did not
At saka
sleep.
sa labas, may nangyayari kasi. Kaya ngayon, medyo open na ang airport kasi kanina tinira nila dito yung American Airbase ng America. Tinira ng I. Ngayon, open na yung ibang flight. Pero sa amin, mamayang 2 o'clock pa kami aalis. So, ang oras, what time na, Mama?
It's 11:36. I didn't get any sleep and I'm still energized.
Buti na lang may playground dito. Nakipaglaro siya.
Yeah, playground. Jumping.
Yeah, you are sweat
Jumping.
now.
No, I'm not. I'm not. What are you talking about?
You're smelly now, Mama.
Yeah? Yeah? Keith.
Nag-sweat siya, oh. Open na yung gates, guys. Ay, open na yung ibang plane. Kanina talaga cancel. Pero na-open na ulit sila. Grabe, delay na naman kami. Ay nako, 6 o'clock pa. Ang alis namin dito, supposed to be is 2 o'clock. Delay na naman siya. So, i-text ko ulit ang asawa ko at saka yung kapatid ko kasi kala nila 6 o'clock kami darating dun, siguro mga 9, 10, ganun, 11 ng gabi. Tulog na yung mga bata. Oh, tagal na namin dito. Almost 12 hours.
Ang malaputan to sa
Grabe.
airport.
Ang daming nagrereklamo kasi ngayon yung nangyari, ang daming cancel, delayed yung Philippine Airline din cancel, oh. Daming cancel, delayed, gulo. Lahat.
May araw na tigil pa na yung wala pa na.
Pinatulog ko na yung mga bata kasi pagod na. Sleep naman ko. Your brother is sleeping now. Parang
Inland daw ko, proceed to payment na. Ang price
delay na naman siya. Ang kabata, kawawa sila. Ang daming information desk. Nakipila ako. Tinanggal nila yung cancel na naman siya.